What is up, guys? Today I just wanted to show you guys how to bypass link-verse advertisements and stuff like that. So I'll give you a bit of an example. So link-verse, you have to uh, do all this stuff. It sucks. Just it gives the person money and stuff, but it's whatever. So you have to do all this stuff, But I'll teach you guys how to get past it. So it's really easy. You just have to look up universal bypass. All right. And this also works for not just linkverse, other things like this. So other websites. But yeah, universal bypass. Press install, then it'll go to here. Google Chrome. Press add to Chrome, add extension, and yeah, boom. It's that simple. So now if we go back to this place, if you go back to it, it'll load up, and then it'll go. You're being navigated. Sorry, and then it'll take you to the link that is at the end. You know. So yeah, it's really easy to do, and yeah, uh, thanks so much for all the support in the videos. This is really insane. I haven't gotten this many views in this short amount of time in a while, so yeah. Yeah, thanks for all the support, and I'll put the linkvertise in the description just so you guys can test it out. But if you do want to give me some money, then I'm just kidding. Peace.